this video, we will perform an experiment which attempts to measure the charge of two identical small charged spheres, each having a mass of 1 gram, hanging in equilibrium.
In order to perform the experiment, we're going to negatively charge a piece of ruler by rubbing it to a piece of bunny fur. And then by induction, the spheres are going to be negatively charged.
We need to state the force going to the right in the x-axis, the weight going down in the y-axis, and the tension going in between x and y-axes with an angle theta. We also need to extract data as the length of the string, the weight, and the charge of the ball. Finally, we do the sum of forces in x and the sum of forces in y, equating them to 0.
The first equation can be a pair with the second equation because the tension is the same. So we get that 3.07 times 10 to the minus 6 divided by cosine of the angle is equal to 1 times 10 to the minus 3 times 9.81 divided to sine of the angle. By this, the only next thing that we have to do is algebra. So we know that sine of the angle divided of cosine of the angle is tangent of the angle. So we get that the tangent of the angle is equal to 9.81 times 10 to the minus 3 divided by 3.07 times 10 to the minus 6. So in that way, by moving tangent and converting it to arctangent, we get the angle which is 89 degrees. We can also obtain the tension by substituting in one of the previous formulas. It could be any, the one of the sum of forces in x or the one of the sum of forces in y, and by that we obtain that the tension is 9.81 times 10 to the minus 3.